So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download Fortnite on a Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for Fortnite. Now scroll down and click on this link. Now here click on this download button and this will download Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Now run this launcher. Here click on install. And this will start installing Epic Games Launcher on your PC. In the UAC prompt, click on yes. Now wait until the launcher is installed. And now the launcher is installed. Here you need to sign in. So for this, let's select Google. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Now here click on yes, continue. Click on accept. Click on allow. And this will install the launcher. Now here search for Fortnite. Click on the first one. Now here click on get. Now click on yes, buy now. Now click on place order. And the purchase is now complete. Click on view in library. Now click on Fortnite. Click on install. Now check this checkbox. Click on accept. Click on yes. And this will start installing Fortnite. To view it, click on this icon. Now maximize it. And now as you can see here, the Fortnite is being downloaded. So wait until the game is downloaded. So this way I can install Fortnite on a Windows PC or laptop. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.